Home repairs. It's part of the annual cost of owning a home that everyone should plan for.
So the general rule of thumb is an estimation of 1 to 2% of your property home's value set aside every year for potential maintenance. And that's general maintenance. If you're talking about remodeling projects, you're talking about a whole different story.
Which brings the million-dollar question that homeowners ask themselves every day.
Should I do it myself or hire a contractor?
To answer that question, we asked the experts. Before starting any project, always consider the dangers that lie ahead.
First, from a safety perspective, you really need to think about, do you have the knowledge and the skills to be able to complete that project safely? And then protecting the value of your home. It's the biggest asset that you likely have, and a general contractor, a professional contractor, is going to really help protect that value through quality work at the end of the project.
Experience is also important. How much experience do you have compared to a contractor?
So small projects like painting a room or replacing the screens in your house are great do-it-yourself projects. But when you get into larger projects, it's really about having the right knowledge, skills, and abilities to be able to complete that project effectively.
Finally, cost savings is the big reason for most DIY projects. But you should also consider the value of your own time.
First, could a contractor get better materials for a better overall cost? Second, will a professional complete the project more timely than you can complete it yourself? Third, are you going to get a workmanship warranty on the completed repairs if you do it yourself? And lastly, the biggest question is that the best use of your time? If you do decide to hire a professional contractor, ContractorConnection.com can provide you with a vetted, licensed, and insured contractor who will provide you timely work, quality work, and a 3-year workmanship warranty on the completed project.
For more information, visit ContractorConnection.com.